So if you have a problem with your ignition, then maybe I've gotten another ignition and you want to replace it. So this is a tutorial to teach you how to remove and replace it. So first you need to follow the wiring of the original ignition to find the connector, and then to do that you might need to remove the side fairing. After remove the side fairing, you follow the wiring, you'll be able to find the male and female connector and remove the connector and replace it with the new ignition. So after testing and making sure that it will work perfectly fine, starting the engine, then we can carry on and follow to the next step. So first you need to remove the screws to be able to remove the clip-on handlebars fork. After that, you also need to remove the other screws to remove the triple clamp. So now remove the handlebar first. Now I'm trying to remove the triple clamp. And this is after removing the triple clamp, you can take out the entire triple clamp and take out 2 Allen screws to remove the whole ignition system. In this case, I resprayed it so that I can make it look newer. Now put it back to the triple clamp with the new ignition system and screw it back on and put back the triple clamp. So in this case, I have a trouble with the triple clamp because the fork and the main bar has misaligned, so I have a bit of trouble here. Actually, you just need to apply the brake and push it forward, and the triple clamp should slide right in. And then now you put back the screws and put back the clip-on handlebar. Yeah, after everything is done, connect the wiring nicely and put back the side fairing. And you're done. Okay, thank you for watching the video.